Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a Google document into a Microsoft document file or docx file, which is the same. Docx is the extension that Microsoft Documents use. So this is very useful and it's pretty easy since Google Document already has this option to export directly into docx. So the first thing we're going to do is going into the document we want to export or convert. In my case, I'm going to create a new one. I'm just gonna put my new document. And now we are gonna go to File at the top left, then Download, and you will see the Microsoft Word option. I'm just gonna click it and save it. Now it has been saved. We can see the download folder, and it's right here. We can double click it, and it will open with your Microsoft Word or any similar application you have. In my case, I'm using WordPad. But that's basically it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.